Hello friends, welcome to our channel Freshers Know. This is Srikanth. So here is the good news for all the freshers that Wipro has started its registration process for Wipro NLTH. Okay, let's see how to apply for that. Go to Google and search for Wipro NLTH Freshers Now. Okay, open the first website. So scroll down. And if you see here, we have registered now for Wipro Elite NLTH 2021. So click this one and it will drive to this official page of Wipro. And here are some content regarding this Wipro NLTH. So let's see the overview of that. Elite National Talent Hunt 2021 is a freshers hiring initiative to attract the best of 2021 engineering talent across the country. The objective of this initiative is to enable an equal opportunity for employment to the most deserving talent from computer science, information technology and circuitous engineering streams in India. So don't miss this opportunity who fall under this three categories. Okay, so let's see the eligibility criteria for this. So the education qualification should be in your 10th class you should have 60% or above. And in your 12th standard you should have 60% or above percentage, and in your graduation you should have 65% or CGPA equivalent to 65%. Okay, so the year of passing should be 2021. The qualification should be BE, BTech or 5-year integrated MTech. So the branch of study is CS, IT and Circuital. And the designation for this is project engineer, and the compensation for this is Indian rupees 3,50,000 rupees per annum. Okay, so here we also have service agreement for 12 months. Okay, so let's see the selection process over here. Every eligible candidate must go through below online assessment. Below details appended for your reference. Online assessment, so this will be 128 minutes and compressing of 3 sections. So what are those 3 sections? Aptitude test 48 minutes time duration, written communication test we have 20 minutes time duration, and online programming test we have 60 minutes of time duration. Candidate can choose any one of programming language for coding test, that is Java or C or C++ or Python. Okay, so if you want to know more details about this Wipro NLTH, go to the official website or we will give you the link in the description. Just go through it. So let's see how to apply for that. Click here. So enter your email ID. After filling your email ID, it will drive to you this page, and you have to fill all your details over here. So here it will ask you CV and additional documents. Okay, let's submit our CV, and I'm submitting my CV, and it should not cross more than 5 MB. Okay, make note of it, and just upload your picture which is having white background. Okay, definitely it should have white background. And after submitting the photo and CV, let's go down, and if you see here, you have to create a login. Okay, after that you have to submit one password. After creating the password, just scroll down and select this salutation, that is Mr. or Miss. So enter your first name and middle name and your last name. After that, enter your email ID. Okay, after filling your email ID, just scroll down, and if you see here primary phone number, so enter your phone number. And after entering your phone number, and it will ask you the secondary phone number. After filling your details, it will ask you the address. Must provide both permanent and temporary address. And if you see home or other, so if you are living in your home, just select home, or not at home, just select other. Okay, and enter your address. And the next thing is your city and your country, India, so state, and enter your postal code. Okay, and scroll down, and if you see here, it is asking your date of birth. Enter your date of birth, and after entering your date of birth, it will ask you identity type India, that is you can choose any of them. For example, Aadhaar card number, driving license, PAN number, passport number or voter ID. So now I am selecting Aadhaar number. So identity number, so it will ask you number of your Aadhaar card. If you select Aadhaar, okay, after entering your Aadhaar number or driving license number or PAN card number, just scroll down, and if you see here, you will have education details, class 10th, name of school, and you have to enter your name of the school. The next thing is class 10th year of passing. The next thing is class 10th registration number. So registration number is nothing but your hall ticket number. Just you can enter your hall ticket number over here. So the next thing is class 10th registration state. Okay, from where you have completed your 10th class, you have to just select. And the next thing is class 10th CGPA or percentage. So we have two categories. You can select one. I am selecting CGPA. Okay, class 10th, enter exact CGPA or percentage. So I am filling my CGPA over here. Okay, after filling your CGPA or percentage, and now it is asking you class 12th or diploma name of school. Okay, I am entering my intermediate college name. After entering your college name, next thing is class 12th or diploma year of passing. So when you have passed, just enter that year. And if you see here, class 12th or diploma registration number, I already mentioned you that registration number is nothing but your hall ticket number. And class 12th or diploma registration state, so from where you have completed your intermediate, just select that state, and after that it will ask you CGPA or percentage. Okay, so time zone, it is not necessary, so click submit profile. Okay, after that it will drive to this second process, and if you see here, please answer the following question. Required field: consent for processing of data for other job opportunities. Should you wish to remain in Wipro's candidate pool for other or future suitable job opportunities in Wipro or its affiliate companies for a period of 180 days from the application date, you may indicate your consent below. Okay, so you can select and submit, and it will drive to you for this third process, that is voluntary information. That is, you can select. If you see here, we have some data regarding this, all the categories. So if you are belonging to this Cambodia, China, India, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Pakistan, the Philippine Islands, Thailand and Vietnam, you have to select Asian. Okay, I'm selecting Asian now, and the gender. After that, submit. So after submission, your details, it will drive to you for this fourth process, that is job specific questions. So do you have any active backlogs or arrears? So if yes, click yes. If no, just click no. Do you have more than 3 years of gap in education between 10th standard and graduation? If yes, click yes. If no, click no and submit. And it will drive to you to this page, last process, and you have to fill your educational details over here. Graduation, if it is UG, select UG. If it is diploma, just select diploma. Okay, and the education type, engineering, we all know that. Institution type, here we have IITs, NITs, IIITs or other institute. Okay, university registration number. So now enter your university registration number. Okay, after filling your university registration number, select state and the district. It will ask you the graduation institute. Okay, and next it will ask you the course. So if it is BE or BTech or diploma after 12th, integrated ME or MTech. And the next thing is branch. So you have to select your branch over here. Okay, after selecting your branch, it will ask you year of passing. So you have to select your year of passing. So it already mentioned you the year of passing should be 2021. After selecting that, it will ask you CGPA or percentage. Okay, after entering your CGPA or percentage, here it will ask you if you have done PG, please provide the information below. So if you completed your PG, you can give your details over here. If you not, this information is enough. Okay, and you can just submit. So this is the registration process for Wipro NLTH. So before submitting your details over here, just check it out and submit. So if there is any update regarding Wipro NLTH, you will get the information through your registered email ID. Okay, so thank you. If you have any doubt, just drop us a comment. We will get back to you. And please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now. Thank you. Have a great day.